Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Guys. Feels weird being back in front of the camera. I've been gone from YouTube, I want to say like maybe a week, which, you know, in YouTube time, it seems like a month. I'm so sorry I have been away. It's just, you know, sometimes life happens and I got a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. And, I mean, nothing too crazy, but just, you know, I do have a full-time job and I put a lot of time and effort into my work. So sometimes it's hard to, you know, film. A lot was going on this week with my job. That's why I was away, but things are finally, you know, calmed it down so I can get back to my regular filming. So thank you guys for your patience. Just know that when I don't film, it hurts my soul. So thank you everyone for your patience. Your girl is back. I have a lot of stuff to film. Today I'm doing my Macys Beauty Box, then I'm gonna do my ice cream beauty box, and then I got my Sephora VIB haul that I did that I got so much stuff and I've been using it because I'm like, I haven't been filming, but I get too excited now. I want to use stuff, so I'll do that video afterwards. The VIP sale obviously is finished with Sephora, but I'll still show you guys what I bought. And that's really about it. So thank you guys for your patience. Without further ado, let's do the Macys Beauty Box unboxing. You guys know the spiel, what I'm gonna say. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so the Macys Beauty Box has not been my favorite lately, and I want to say like this box, Walmart Beauty Box, has been like my favorites. Even though they like the cheapest boxes, they have been my favorites. But lately, like I did the Walmart Beauty Box, that one was kind of for this season, for spring season. The last two Macys Beauty Boxes were kind of too, so they don't really do a lot of spoilers for the Macys Beauty Box, so I'm just going to be surprised as per usual, but let's see if this is a little bit better, because I would hate to cancel this box because Macy takes forever to put you as one of their subscriptions for their Macys Beauty Box. Like they're like the only box at like a month and change, and you're like, am I going to get the box or not? So I would hate to cancel and then have to subscribe and cancel subscribe. So let's see if this box was any good. So it comes in the box. I opened it up, but I didn't take anything out. So let's see. They always have stuff in pink tissue paper. And then I got this and a card. So let's see here. So this is a shower cap. You see what I'm saying? Like, they really have been falling off. Created for Macys. So just because you wanted to give something random, you put creative for Macys. Like, you can't, it's supposed to be, you try beauty products in Macys, that Macys sells, so you could go to the store to buy these items. But it's like, I'm gonna love this and go in and buy this shower cap? I think not. So, we're off to, this is how we're starting off. But nevertheless, they gave me a shower cap. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use the shower cap, but like, really? Really, Macys? Like, come on now. Come on. Let's see. So they used to give, like, makeup bags, but they haven't been giving makeup bags, which is fine with me because I get enough makeup bags with Ipsy. So this is the shower cap. Color, not my take. It's expandable. It has like that, you guys know the smell I'm talking about, like the beach ball. Like if you blow up those beach balls, it smells like that. But first item, you wrong for that, Macys. You see my face right now? I had to pause for a second and really think about it. Really? I think not. Alright, so you get your $10 off $40 coupon. And then let's see what's in here. I hope no more foolery, but let's see. Alrighty, so the first thing I see here is a Pore Care I'm Red Wine face sheet mask from Tony Moly. I love their sheet mask. So I definitely will use this, so I'm not too mad about it. Let's see, this costs $3 for this sheet mask by itself. I also forgot to mention the box is only $15. So we did get a fragrance. We normally get two, but this time we only got one. We normally get a woman's and men's. They gave the Clean Classic Rain scent. So Clean is like the name of the brand. So this is supposed to smell like rain. So let me test it out. I'm gonna do it on a card because I used to spray it on myself and then I didn't like it, and then I had to smell like the scent. Oh! I mean, this is not a scent that I preferably would want to wear, or I would be my first choice that I would buy for myself, but I would wear it. But I mean, it's not going to be my first choice to buy. But it's not too bad. It says it's, what's the scents for these? Let's see if it says what scents is in this. Water, mint, and melon. Let me see. It definitely has a melon scent to it. I definitely could see that. Alright, so we got that. The bottle was $44, but who knows? I mean, a sample, what is this, like a quarter? Can't say it's $1. So that's that. The next thing I got is a Mario Badescal Coconut Body Scrub. I love the smell of coconuts, so I definitely will use this. The next thing I got is a Clarins Body Fit. What is this, like a lotion? I mean, I would use it. Summertime's coming up. I'll use it on those problem areas. You never know. So, I would use that. Anti-cellulite. It says visibly smooths, firms, and lifts. Okay, I would use that. Then I got a Ritual Sensual Foaming Shower Gel by Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. I love the smell of this, so I definitely will use this. And then I got a nail polish remover from Mineral Fusion. I did not know Macys sold nail polish, and I don't even think they had the brand Mineral Fusion, but I'm gonna use it. There were no makeup items in this box, so I don't know about this Macys Beauty Box anymore. They've been falling off. I think for a beauty box, you should have at least 1 or 2 items beauty, right? Makeup, I'm sorry. So, I don't know how I feel about this box. I love that. Now, this is my personal opinion because these are all like beauty items, yes. But like, I feel like you should always have like a makeup item in here in every single beauty subscription box. So, for me, I'm a little disappointed. But that's just my opinion and my opinion only. Now, this shows you like what you're supposed to get on the card here. What you got in your box. So, I don't know. Not to, out of 10, I would give this box a, was there anything I was excited to use? I'm excited to try this out. I'll give it a 3 out of 10. Lucky if I even gave them 3. But yeah, I want to say this is the 3rd box. If I go to 4 boxes that I don't like, I cancel it. So the next box I get is going to determine if I'm going to keep this box or not. But these subscription boxes have been falling off. And I know I have a beauty subscription box majority channel, but I'm not going to be filming stuff that I'm just not excited and enthusiastic about. I have no space in my beauty room for like, it's trickling over. You guys saw like my in my guest bedroom, my half bath that I have. Like I filled it with all like my skincare stuff. Since that video, like I bought like shelves for both sides of the walls to add more stuff. And it's becoming like a joke now. Like my whole home is becoming like a Sephora, which I'm not bragging, but it's just too much. You know, less is more. So if I'm getting stuff that I'm not using, it's different if it's stuff that I'm going to be using, but a lot of this stuff I just give away, you know. The excitement is not there anymore, so my channel is going to have to be slowly transitioning into, you know, more hauls. I've been doing a lot more hauls than in the past. It would just be more unboxings. Like I said, I am going to be doing other types of videos too. I may be doing like get ready with me videos, and like when I'm going to TJ Maxx and Marshall, showing you guys, bringing you guys along with me, different types of videos, you know, just because like these unboxings, these boxes are not it. It's not it anymore. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about these boxes lately, because for me, they're just not doing it. Alrighty guys, that's really about it. I know I've been away, so, but still show your girl some love and give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.